This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to show you how to create a payment against an owner, or record a payment against an owner for those users who aren't actually using Xero. So the Xero process is pretty straightforward. It operates seamlessly within Prism. However, if you're using another system like MyOb or QuickBooks or one of those, the seamless recording of payments won't work. So this is just a quick workaround, so you can record any payments that have been made by the owner during the month, and that will then flow through for the opening balance, and when the statements go out again, it will have that payment taken out. It's really simple, it's really easy. You simply click down here, create a new credit, create the credit against the owner that's made the payment. Enter whatever the invoice is, and then basically you're putting the date of when it was paid, and say $200. I'm going to save, and essentially if you go back into the owner, you will see that that credit has been applied. Sorry, that payment has been made, so payment of invoice. When you roll the statement through again, basically that $200 will come off the user's statement. So because it's not all synced to Xero, the account codes and everything don't matter as much, because you'll be managing those account codes in your external accounting system. But at least from the owner's perspective, they'll see this payment of invoice on their statement with the date of whatever they paid. So that all sort of tidies it up from an owner's perspective. If you've got any questions about that, or if you want to talk about how to get onto Xero, which we strongly recommend, then please don't hesitate to get in contact. Support@prism.horse.